In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Valorant on laptop without mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't want to use an external mouse to play Valorant or any other game on your laptop, then I'm gonna show you two alternative options that you have. For Valorant specifically, you will be able to go ahead, queue into any mode, so you can click play, invite your friends, lobby up together, and then start. So, in order to play on a laptop, you will have two main ways without using an external mouse. You will be able to use your trackpad, so the standard trackpad that will be on any laptop model, gamer ones, normal ones, workstations, and so on. All that you have to do is glide your finger across this. Of course, this isn't going to be precise for FPS games, but most people don't care, they just want to play it casually, and the trackpad is going to be acceptable for this. So all that you have to do is use your finger across the trackpad to play Valorant or any other title available for PC or laptops. And then alternatively, you can connect an external controller. So you can connect it wirelessly or to a cable. And once again, this will allow you to play most games, including FPS games like Valorant. Once again, this isn't going to be the most accurate option, but it is still completely usable. And all that you have to do is connect it to your laptop. Regardless of the brand, it should be detected and you will be able to use it. Now, for Valorant specifically, some users have actually reported problems using a trackpad or a controller. I would recommend opening up the game and trying out to use your trackpad first and then the controller second if you wish, see if they work, and if they don't work, then sadly it is going to be a limitation with Valorant specifically. It seems like they limited a lot of support for other peripherals besides mouse and keyboards because they want to avoid cheaters. So as of today, you might encounter some problems while trying to use these peripherals, but it should still be doable. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Valorant on laptop without mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.